Alright guys, welcome back to Monster Misfits. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to take my headboard here and we're going to color this purple. So we're going to give this thing a new life and then we'll set it up and then I'll show it to you. I am redoing my house inside, so figure why not. Let's do something a little different with this headboard. So this is what I'm going to use to color that with. So this is called Tulip Color Shot Instant Fabric Color. So we're going to try it and see how it works. So there you go guys, we painted our headboard purple. We're going to let this dry and we're going to set it up and I'll show you the aftershock. I'm going to take all this off and show you after it dries. So there you go guys, this is our purple headboard that we've painted. We've dyed with spray dye. So don't forget, you can get that at Hobby Lobby or Michael's or whoever sells that kind of stuff. And so I know that this doesn't match the room or anything like that. So this room is still under construction. So, but I just kind of wanted to show you something different that you can do, kind of spruce up the Halloween theme of your bed or bedroom or however you want to do it. So there's all kind of different ideas you can do, and this is just a simple one. And I think the cost of it was probably like 20 bucks. 20 bucks you can have a pretty nice looking headboard. In my opinion, I think it looks good. Does it go with the room? Nah, I'm not an interior decorator, but the headboard looks good. We're just trying to make something creepy for you guys. Alright guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to go check out my trio brothers. That's Dave at the Weird Kid Show and Keith at Cobwebs and Candlesticks. Come and join us at Trio of Terror Facebook group. Also, don't forget to come check out Monster Misfits Facebook group. So come and post your stuff that you've made or build, or if you're redoing furniture or making something spooky, it doesn't matter, guys. Come over and post your stuff on there. Share your projects with us, and we'd love to see what you do. There you go, guys. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video. She says, keep it creepy. Did say keep it creepy? No? Anyway, she says keep it creepy. All right, guys. Thanks.